Hello students, how are you all? Hope all of you are well. Today we are going to discuss class 6 maths exercise 3.3. In the previous video I had explained you about some of the divisibility like divisibility of 2, divisibility of 3, divisibility of 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. Today we will discuss the rest 2 divisibility which was left. Divisibility of 9 and divisibility of 11. That 2 divisibility were left. I know very well that the rest everything is solved. I hope if you have not written in your notebook, then please download the PDF of class 6 NCERT chapter 3rd. You will get the divisibility of each and every numbers. As in the previous video I had explained you about the divisibility of 2, means a number which has in the units place all the even numbers like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. These all the numbers are divisible by 2. These are divisible by 2. Means remember, divisible by 3 one was all the numbers sum. Means that sum should be multiples of 3. That sum should be the multiples of 3. Remember. And after that I had informed you about the divisible of 4. Have you remembered the divisibility of 4? Anyone? Divisibility of 4 I had informed you that last 2 digit, either last 2 digit or last 3 digit, it should be divisible by 4, or last 2 digit it must have 0. Means any of the digit is that last 2 digit must be 0 or last 3 digit must be divisible by 4, then that number is divisible by 4. After then I had informed you about the 5th divisible by 5, either on the unit place they must have 5 or 0, right? And after that I had informed you about divisibility of 6. It must be divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. It must be divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. Then that number is divisible by 6 also. Right? Have you got it or not? All these things I had informed you in the previous video. After that I had informed you about the 8. The divisibility of 8. How you will understand that this number is divisible by 8 or not. So I had informed you the last 3 digit or last 4 digit must be divisible by 8. Last 3 digit or last 4 digit must be divisible by 8, then that number is divisible by 8, right? Now the rest 2 was left about the 9 and 11. Last 3 digit or last 2 digit, last 3 digit or last 4 digit must be divisible by 8, then that number is divisible by 8. Okay. Now the most important thing was 9 and 11. 10 also I had informed you on the last digit it must have a 0, then that number is divisible by 10. Now the left one is 9 and 11. These two. What are the rules of divisibility by 9 and divisibility by 10? Can anybody tell me? As I had already informed you about the divisibility of 3. Similarly, the number which is a multiple of 9 means the multiples of 9. If the sum of the digit is a number is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. If the sum of the digit of a number is divisible by 9, means whatever the number you are getting, if a plus b plus c, whatever the number is we are getting, if it is divisible by 9, then that number is divisible by 9. Got it? The sum of all the numbers is divisible by 9, then that number is divisible by 9. And last one was the divisibility by 11. Here it is a little bit different about the divisibility by 11. That in the divisibility by 11, what you have to do? You have to just understand the difference between the sum of digit at odd place and the sum of digits at even place of the numbers are different, is either 0 or divisible by 11, then the number is divisible by 11. Means, as for example, 4 digits are there, A, B, C, D. So this is odd numbers and this is even number. Got it? These are odd numbers. O and C is odd number and B and D is even number. So what is the rule of the divisibility by 11? That the difference between the sum of the digits of odd places and the difference is the difference between the sum of the digits at odd places. What does it mean? The difference between the sum of the digits at odd places from the right and the sum of the digits at even places from the right. Means from the right side you have to do the plus of even digits and odd digits. As for example, just suppose I am giving you a number 18308. Okay, 308. Just suppose here 308 or 1331. Okay. In the 308, what you are seeing, 8 and 3, they both are at the odd places, right? So both are at the odd places, first, second and third. So 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. 11 is divisible by 11, means 308 will be divisible by 11. Got it? You can see 11 2s are 22 and 88, 11 8s are 88. So 28 11s are 308. And if I talk about a 4-digit number, then you can see here that on the odd digit and even digit, on the odd digit and on the even digit, you can see 1 plus 3 4 and 1 plus 3 4. If the difference between them is 0, then that number is divisible by 11. Means either the sum of the odd digit, either the sum of the odd digit is divisible by 11, then that number is divisible by 11, or the sum of odd numbers and the sum of even numbers difference is 0, then that number is divisible by 11. So these was our rules of divisibility. Now we are moving towards the exercise 3.3 question number 1. Got it? So here we have seen about all the divisibility rules and regulation. As in the previous video also I had explained you about the divisibility. Now let us read the question number 3.3 first question. What is the 3.3 first question? 3.3 first question is that you have to say the numbers are divisible by the following numbers or not. Means here there are some numbers given and you have to just write that this number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. Whatever the divisibility I had taught you, according to that you have to just write that this number is divisible by that number or not. So let us make a table first of all. In the table we have to just write that this number is divisible by this number or not. Here there are some numbers, so you have to write here numbers. Question number 1, NUMBERS, numbers, and here divisible by. So here there are some columns in the divisible by. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Right? These are the means divisible by, and here there are some numbers given like 1 to 8, 1 to 8. After that 990. First one is 1 to 8, second one is 990. Third one is 1586. Fourth one is 275. Fifth one is 6686. Sixth one is 639210. Seventh one is 429714. Eighth one is 2856. Ninth one is 3060, and the last one is 10th one is 406839. So here there are 10 numbers. Out of these 10 numbers, you have to just find that these numbers are divisible by 2 or not. Okay. So first of all, see this number is divisible by 2 because it on the unit place or on the ones place, you can see here all the even numbers are. So if at the ones place, if they are having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 or any even number, then that number is divisible by 2. So first of all, let us clear the divisibility by 2. So here there is 8. 8 is even number, so divisible by 2. Yes, no. 5 is odd number, so no. 6 is even number, yes. 0, yes. 4, yes. 6, yes. 0, yes. 9, no. So you can see here in the first row, divisible by 2, I have seen here that all the even numbers present on the ones place is divisible by 2. Now let's come to the point of divisible by 3. How you will write the divisible by 3? See, I am going to just solve you 1, 2, 3, 4 questions. Rest all the questions you have to solve by yourself. But I will teach you that how to solve, right? So you can see, is 128 divisible by 3? What you will do in the divisible by 3? You will add 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 8, 11. Is 11 a multiple of 3? No, 11 is not a multiple of 3. So this number is not divisible by 3. Got it? This number is not divisible by 3. Now let's come to the fourth. Is this 4? Means you can see either the last 2 digit or all the 3 digit is divisible. 4 3 are 12, 4 2 are 80. Yes, it is divisible by 4. And divisible by 5, at the ones place it must be either 5 or 0. It is not having either 5 nor 0. It is having 8. So this number is not divisible by 5. And if number is divisible by 2 and 3, then that number is divisible by 6. 2 is divisible, but on the 3 place it's not divisible. So it is not divisible by 6 also. Now what's about the 8? You know very well, I have already said you that it must either all the 3 digit or 4 digit must be divisible. 8 1 are 8, 8 6 are 48. Yes, it is divisible by 8. What's about the 9? We have to do the sum, and if it is divisible by 9, then it must be 8 plus 2 plus 11. 11 is not divisible by 9, so this is not a divisible of 9. On the ones place it is not having 0, so it is not divisible by 10 also. What's about the 11? 11 I have told you, at the odd place 8 plus 1 9. 9 is not divisible by 11. 9 is not divisible by 11. So remember, this is also no. So as you have seen, the first column I have solved, right? On the second column, can you tell me? So 9 plus 9, 18 plus 0, 0. 18 is a multiple of 3? Yes, this is divisible by 3. What's about the fourth place? 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16, and 30. It is not divisible by 4, right? Because you can see either 2 digit or last 3 digit, it must be divisible by 4. You can see here, 4 2s are 8, 19, 4 4s are 16, 30. So 30, 4 7s are 28. 2 remainder is there, so that's why it's not divisible by 4. What's about the 5? On the ones place it is having 0, so it is divisible by 5 here. If 2 and 3 both are divisible, so it is divisible by 6. What's about the 8? 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 30, 8 3s are 24. It is not divisible by. What about the 9? Yes, 9 plus 9, 18. 18 can be divisible by 9. So it is divisible by 9. Yes. What's about the 10? It is having 0 at its ones place. So it is divisible by 9. Now tell me, what's about the 10? On the ones place, you can see 0 and 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 9 is not divisible by 11. So this number is not divisible by 11. So you have seen that second one also I have done. Now what's about the third one? Can you do third one by yourself? Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. If you are not able, so let me solve one more, and after then rest all the questions you have to solve by yourself. So you can see here 1 5 8 6. 2 it is divisible. What's about the 3? 8 plus 6 14 plus 1 15 plus 5 20. 20 is not divisible by or multiple of 3, so it is not divisible, right? What's about the 4? Either 3 digit must be divisible by 4, right? 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16, and 26, not divisible. You can see here 4 3s are 12, 38, 4 9s are 36, 26, 4 8s are or 4 7s are 4 8s are 32. And 4 7s are 28, 26 is coming, so it is not divisible by 4. Is it divisible by 5? No, it is 6 is having at the ones place, so it is not divisible by 5. It is not divisible by 2 and 3, so it will be not divisible by 6 also. It is divisible by 2 but not by 3, so that's why it will not be divisible by 6. What's about the 8? At the last 3 digit or last 4 digit must be divisible by 8. So 8 1s are 8, 78, 8 9s are 72, 66 is 8 8s are 64. So it is not divisible by 8 also. Now let us check that it is divisible by 9 or not. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 8, 14 plus 6 20. 20 is not divisible by 9, so it is not divisible by 9. What's about the tens? It is not having 0 at its ones place, so it will not be divisible by 10 also. What about the 11? Just check the ones place and even place. 6 plus 5, 11. 8 plus 1, 9. 11 minus 9, 2. 2 is not divisible by 11. So definitely it will be not divisible by 11. Got it? So I hope all of you are understanding. So these 3 I have solved. Rest all you have to solve by yourself. You must know the divisibility rules. If you are knowing the divisibility rule, it's very easy to solve all these questions. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this channel with your friends so your friends can also be benefited. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe.